come in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with OMG Hair again. I loved my previous wig from them. They are always consistent with quality, and that's what I love about them. I always love, you know, this classy packaging. They keep everything very clean and classy, and I love that. Very professional. So I got a drawstring bag with the wig and such inside, which you're gonna get into. I got this bag here with a 3D dome cap looks like, and we're gonna get into that because today the wig that we're working with is a 3D dome cap wig once more, so we're gonna get into that in a few. I also got this OMGHerhair rat tail comb. I got a branded elastic headband, a thank you card, a pair of HD wig caps. Before I jump and show you guys the wig, right, the construction of today's wig is a 3D dome cap wig. All right, so this is how a 3D dome cap looks, guys. All right, just so you know, and it's a drawstring 3D dome cap. Now, what is a 3D dome cap, right? Let me just refresh you guys' memory. It is the shape of the lace area. This has a lace ratio of 8:6, and this can provide a glueless fit. So it's an 8:6 lace area, and it's perfect if you want to go glueless. You could use glue too. That's, you know, if you really want to add an adhesive, but ultimately you can wear this glueless. All right, after wearing the normal cap, you may have the issue that you couldn't get the lace to lay straight without gathering in the front. So that's like in the forehead area, and you guys are gonna see when I slip it on. But with the 3D dome cap, you will find that whether from the middle or the side, the lace will fit your forehead contour perfectly, and it's really no glue that's needed for this kind of fit. So guys, it's perfect for my beginner, for everybody that's, you know, not too versed. You might be wearing wigs for a while now, but you're not too versed on, you know, installing wigs like a pro. This, you don't need none of that, because once you slip it on, it's on there and it looks really good. Now with this cap, they also did like the C shape for the ears, so that's really nice. I love that because it makes the wig sit comfortably on your head. And then for the security in the back, instead of doing adjustable straps, they did drawstring, so you could just draw the string and it adjusts to your head size. Then inside of the cap, they have a comb in the back and two on the sides, and these you can remove them because they're attached by Velcro. All right, and it's a mesh kind of material, so it's a breathable cap. Love that. It's a bye-bye knots lace, as by the way. But well, let's go ahead and get into the wig so I can show you what the actual wig looks like. But this is the cap that's used for the wig, so let's get into the wig. This is a beautiful finger coil curled natural edges 3D dome cap bob wig. So as you can see, it does have that natural finger coil curl as they describe it to be, mostly like in the front. Most of the wig is just really curly and it's extremely soft, guys, but like mostly on like the top layer, it looks very much like, you know, finger coil curls. And in the very front of the hairline, it is a natural kinky kind of vibe with the edges, so that's really realistic, and it's a bye-bye knots kind of lace. Now with the lace specifically on the wig, they did bleach it, as you can see, so you don't have to worry about doing any of that for yourself. They customize it perfectly, and this is how it looks. As I said, it's an 8:6 lace area, so you do have a lot of space to work with. It's a natural color as well. It's very nice and full. Like it, I'm going to be sure to put the density and everything down below, so you see the specific length and everything down there that you need to see. But oh my gosh, OMGHerhair, you're doing it. I absolutely love the feel of it. It is so soft, man. I can't wait to go ahead and install it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I need to tell you about construction for now. So now that we got through that, let me go ahead and slip on this gorgeous wig. So I went ahead and slipped the wig on. Those curls are so cute, aren't they? As I said, I realized the finger coils are really at the top. It's not a big deal because I still went ahead and damped the hair further on in the video just so that you guys could also see it in that state. So when I slip it on, if you notice the very front of the hairline, it was a little too graduated, so I did cut some off to make things a little bit more fitting for my hairline, and I think it looked perfect. I then went ahead and canceled any form of cast that was there at the front of the lace with some of my face powder, and it muted down everything so nicely. I really just took my time to add the tiniest amount of powder to the front, and look at that. It just melts. It melts right away. It's beautiful. The hairline, the way the edges are so natural, it makes everything 10 times more realistic looking. And this is actually my natural hair at the sides here that I'm actually just finessing. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. This is always optional, so please make note of that. But yeah, then I just kind of brushed the hairline towards the back, and yeah, that's pretty much how it looked. It was so easy, very to the point, very beginner friendly. So feel free to go ahead and play around with it. It's really no specific rule. It all depends on your mood and how you want to do it. So if you want to do, baby hairs and all that jazz, go ahead and feel free to do that. But that's how we're looking. It looks so good. After, I kind of played around with it and shaped it in its dry state so I could kind of show you guys how it looked. I then proceeded to add in water to give more of a damp vibe and kind of just make all the curls look more in unison. So yeah. And that's how we're looking. Oh, by the way, I also did go in with my powder to further make the parting more precise. You could use concealer if you wish, whatever floats your boat. Powder is what I opted for, and that's pretty much it.
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you baby, you don't care.
I wanted to show you guys it wet as well, like after you apply water, and it's still so gorgeous, like absolutely. Look at that. You see how natural that hairline is? Oh my gosh, so natural. And I just kind of brush it back. I didn't want it to just be like, I just wanted it to look a little bit more put together, so I kind of just brushed it back a little bit, but it's still very natural looking. I didn't necessarily do any baby hairs or anything, and it looks so good. The hair is so full. Love that you're not seeing through the curls. It looks healthy. It looks like a very healthy head of hair. So shout out to OMGHerhair because you did it again with this very natural vibe. Now, as I said, how I explained the dome cap to be in the initial, it does hug my forehead. There is no crimpling with the lace. It sits and fits just right on my forehead, and the drawstring is very convenient in the back of the cap, so I cannot complain. I absolutely love it. I think the construction is stunning. Let me know what you guys think about it, but I 10 out of 10 recommend. Shedding is on a minimal level. Shedding is definitely there, but it's not hard to detangle at all. It's a curly hair, so if you plan on wearing something like this every single day, I would recommend detangling it every single day. You don't want to not detangle your curly textures regularly because it's just not the move. Okay, so yeah, and all I have in it right now is water, so I love the volume. If it was up to me, I would not put any water in there, but I wanted to show you guys in the state as well. I always try to do that with my curly textures, just so you guys see how it kind of looks and wears down. But I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so go ahead, check that out. Any discount code I have available will be listed down below, as well as all the specifications to this wig. Shout out to OMGHerhair again once more. because they got your girl looking like a nice natural curly queen, and I love that. Yes, I love that. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look though. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just one big up on yourself.